Welcome back to our channel. Let's explore cabin E514 on the Majestic Princess, which is an obstructed view balcony cabin. This is actually a deluxe balcony cabin because it has a couch, which I would like to call a love seat because it only seats 2 people. But nonetheless, that makes this a deluxe balcony cabin. Here's that love seat that I mentioned earlier. Perfect for watching TV if you don't want to watch it laying on your bed, or for having some snacks or even some breakfast. Here's a typical size desk as can be seen in most balcony cabins. Behind the lamp sitting on the left nightstand, you can see 2 USB charging ports to charge your phones directly without using a charger. And you have the usual drawers here. And let's see what we have on the right nightstand. Unfortunately, on the right nightstand, there is no USB charging port. Now, this ship was just dry docked and refurbished 9 months ago, so I was hoping they would have addressed the need for more charging ports. But I guess not. And here's the spacious walk-in closet that's very common in most Princess ships, other than the Sphere-class ships. Watch episode 70 on our channel to see what the closet looks like on the Sphere-class ships. Behind this little door, you have 6 shelves and you're safe. And here's your typical bathroom as can be expected in a standard or even deluxe balcony cabin. The shower stall here with a curtain, unlike the Sphere-class ships, which now have glass shower stalls. And once again, if you want to see that, you can visit our episode 70 on our channel. You know what? I really like these shelves that they have in these cruise ship bathrooms. They're very useful. Unlike regular hotel bathrooms, which seem to always have insufficient storage for your stuff. But in these cruise ship bathrooms, there's always a shelf to put your stuff in. Now it's finally time to walk into the obstructed view balcony. There you go. Blocking your view, or at least half your view, is your lifeboat, or technically called MES or Marine Evacuation System, which also serves as your tender boats. See, it's a regular sized balcony, nothing strange, nothing different, but this lifeboat or MES is blocking your view of the sea, at least half your view. And you cannot look down to see the sea or the ocean, but see, as you can see here, the level goes about a foot above the floor of your balcony. It goes about a foot. So it's not too bad. I mean, you can still see the ocean from up here. It's just that you cannot look straight down to see the ocean, which a lot of people I know like to do. But on a sea day, for example, I took this video when we were out at sea. This would be your view. And compared to another obstructed balcony cabin that we were in, cabin E328 on the Discovery Princess, this is actually a lot better because as you can see here, the hoist for the lifeboats were blocking the view on that room, but on this one, you don't have that. So this is pretty good for an obstructed balcony cabin, which many of you probably already know can be booked at a much lower price. Now let's go back inside because there's somebody we'd like you to meet.
Hello! I'd like you to meet Arnie, our room
Arnie!
steward.
Hello. Nice to meet you, Arnie.
Nice to meet you. Welcome aboard.
Room steward right here in our room. E or Emerald 514.
Now, let's leave the room for a second because there's something I want to show you. Now, if you would notice the carpets on this side of the ship, we are on the port side of the ship or the left side of the ship. The carpet is blue, and this goes all the way from the bottom deck to the top deck. Now, we'll go to the other side of the ship now. We are on the starboard side or the right side of the ship, and it's red. This is very useful if you have cruised before. Finding which side of the ship you're in is quite a challenge sometimes, especially after a night of drinking. But this is very useful.
One night when we returned from my birthday dinner, look what we found in our cabin. This was such an awesome surprise from our steward Arnie. He even made this beautiful cake towel with ornate decorations for me. This made my birthday truly special. And a week later, on our anniversary, this was Arnie's surprise. Aw, look at those swans. They were perfectly made, perfect for each other, like us. Visit our channel for more travel videos and subscribe to see what's next.
And there's a lot more coming up, so don't miss it.
Live your best life, everyone!